Recently, a lot of people have been asking me a very good question. Crystal, can I start my business with zero investment and absolutely no products? Honestly, this is a very good question, and I'm going to be able to answer it in this video. If I was an outsider looking in, I would think that maybe right now starting a business isn't such a very good idea. With all the news articles and all the things that we are reading online about businesses basically tanking and people getting laid off, and things are going horribly for the economy no matter where you live. However, e-commerce is in a very unique position right now. E-commerce sales were geared to take over regular retail sales by about 50% between the years 2020 and 2023. However, with the weird situation that we found ourselves in, things have only sped up, and probably the e-commerce niche is the only type of business that is gonna see incredible increases in sales in the year 2020. So basically, if you are selling the right products online, you are going to make a lot of money. Now, here's the thing. You definitely need to be smart about what you're selling. Of course, things like car accessories, dress shirts, and things of that nature aren't really in demand. However, things that have seen incredible amounts of sales recently online are cooking equipment, kitchen accessories, anything basically related to cooking at home, even pet supplies, games and toys to keep you entertained, as well as anything that has to do with working online and working from home. These niches, these types of products have seen incredible demand over the past few months, and they're not going to slow down anytime soon. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few print-on-demand items that you can start selling right now, and yes, it's going to cost you absolutely nothing. Now, here's the thing. For all of you that don't know what a print-on-demand business is, you basically sign up for free. You choose which product you want to sell, such as a t-shirt or a mug. Then you upload a piece of artwork that you want to be placed onto it. Then Printful or other print-on-demand websites create and keep a digital copy of your artwork. You can then list your product on your store or on several different marketplaces. And when somebody buys it, they just basically print it and ship it over to your customer. Printful charge you a base price of around $12.5 and you keep the rest as profit. It's called print on demand because, well, that's what it is. Whenever a customer orders the product, the company, Printful or any other similar company, they print the product, they package it, and they ship it over to your customer. As simple as that. However, this type of service, no, it does not work with Amazon.ae, but you can choose several other marketplaces, such as Wish, for example, exactly like I did in the example here. You can use Wish to sell your products, or you can even sell them on your own website, your very own Shopify website. The reason why I'm talking about this business model, because it's basically very easy and very low cost for anybody to start. So if you're thinking whether you should or you shouldn't start your online business, this is a very simple way to get going. I'm going to be talking about 5 products that you can sell online that are going to be very successful with the print-on-demand system. Number 1, coffee mugs. As you see, I actually created this coffee mug. I created the heart design. I uploaded it to Printful, and now my mug is ready to be sold on wish.com or using the Wish application. Whenever somebody purchases my product, again, Printful are going to get notified. They will print the design that I've created, they will package it, and they will ship it over to my customer, and I get to keep a certain amount of money, and they get their payment as well. The reason why I chose coffee mugs as my first example item that you can sell, well, is because most of us miss going to coffee shops, most of us love cafe culture, and coffee has seen an incredible surge in demand over the last few months. A coffee mug is something easy for you to design, and it's something, well, it's not expensive for people to buy, and you can create interesting and funny designs that are basically timeless. Product number 2, cooking aprons, and specifically embroidered cooking aprons from Printful. So Printful have a unique product, and it's embroidered aprons, which means they're better than just being printed on because they last longer. And as I said before, cooking, baking, this sector, anything related to kitchen items is very popular because people are spending more time cooking healthy food in their home. So a cooking apron can be a cute gift that somebody can purchase for somebody else, or it could be a gift for yourself that you can use when you are cooking all these wonderful meals. Printful, again, very easy. You just upload whatever design that you create. You can create it yourself. You can get a graphic designer to create it for you. And, you list it on your website or any other marketplace where you wish to sell this product. Product number 3, sports bras from Printful. Studies have shown that people are actually actively exercising from home. Lots of gyms, lots of influencers/trainers are doing a lot of online free classes, and people are taking this time in order to take up a new type of hobby, such as yoga or any other exercise that you can do at home. And we've seen demand on Amazon for home gym equipment, such as yoga mat, exercise resistance bands. These things are so much in demand right now. So a sports bra can be something very interesting, and you can create a cute design using Printful's own mock-up generator. You can create something that is printed all over, so you can go crazy with whatever design you want. Product number 4, sweatshirts and hoodies from Printify. Printify is also a print-on-demand service that you can use, and they have very unique products as well. Now, you might think, wait a second, we just talked about sports bras. But yes, people are also spending more time at home, working from home, and they basically want to relax in interesting loungewear. They don't want to wear their pajamas, however, they do want to wear comfortable clothing. Sweaters and hoodies are something that you can wear all year long, basically. However, they're interesting right now because people are looking to purchase things that can make them feel comfortable yet look good at home. Product number 5, baby t-shirts. With people spending more time at home and more time with their children, they do want to purchase things that keep a smile on their face. And baby t-shirts have been notoriously a best-selling item from these print-on-demand websites. The margins are not very high, not the same as selling a regular adult t-shirt. However, they're cute, and they're something that you can be selling all year round. So yes, you basically can start your online store without having to spend any money. No excuses, now you can make it happen. If you found the information in this video helpful, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you are notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you in another video with more information about selling online and on Amazon in the UAE. Bye for now.